Hi, your stretching and movement expert is back. I'm Jayne. We're out here in beautiful nature, and I want to show you some things to refresh your body and your spirit. The first thing I want you to do is go here and hold. Exhale, push out. Inhale, exhale, stretch out that lat. Exhale, push out. Good. Take those hands together. Inhale up, exhale out. Inhale, exhale again. Get super tight. Sitting at a desk, on your computer, you contract those chest muscles. We're opening up those muscles that get shortened again. Inhale, exhale. Do that big windmill. You're here. You're gonna exhale around. Drop it down slowly. Take your time. Getting all those nooks and crannies. All that stress is leaving your body. Excellent. You're gonna backstroke in a pool. Exhale. Exhale. Get rid of all that stress. Nature always helps. And breathing. I love this one. Your arms are here. You exhale. Let your arms just swing. Get that stress out. 3 more. Good, almost. Now, you're gonna do a nice lunge and push those clouds out of the way. Breathe. Nice. It's active, which means you're engaging your muscles. Other side. Push those clouds out. Breathe. Right there. Exhale. One more. Nice. We're gonna do a twist. Pivot that foot like you do when you golf. Right there, twist. Roll out those shoulders. Roll them out. Nice. Excellent. Turn sideways. No, you don't have to turn sideways. I will. Cross it over. You're gonna tuck your chin. Slowly go down. You may just go here. Drop your head and neck. Remember, your flexibility will improve. Slowly round up one vertebrae at a time. Other side. Tuck your chin. Hang upside down. Slowly round up one vertebrae at a time. We're gonna do a nice kick to get those hips to open up. So I'm here. You're gonna bend, kick, bend, kick, bend. Other side. Back and front, back and front. Nice. Kick. Or just here. Do some hip circles. You're gonna be right here. Circle those hips around. Extend. Good. They get very tight. Circle. Circle. Good. Now, shake it out. Shake it out. Okay. Even more, shake it out. Okay, there you go. Have a great one.